Hello team, this is a small facility where some PMD guys, I guess, have actually built a true 3D model of the new Lego house in Billund. We are talking about 12,000 square meters. The architect is actually one of the most famous in the world. It's a Dane. He's called Bjarke Ingels, and he is one of the most upcoming architects in the world. And to be honest, this model is freaking awesome. And I'm pretty much looking forward to that in 16, when the facility is done, the Lego brand house. It will be in the middle of Billund, and I think it's going to be very, very awesome, absolutely. This is actually a room dedicated for the Lego house, telling about the Lego story, and also explaining why it's very important to build a Lego house in the middle of Billund, by the way. Looking outside the window, right here, you can see a wooden fence, and behind that wooden fence, in the middle, simply in the center of Billund, we are building this Lego house. And you can see that all the construction work regarding tearing down the old building has been completed. All the cellar work and foundation has been completed, and now there is a very, very, very big crane as well. So next time I'm in Denmark, I will make another video report about this Lego house. So see you all. Bye bye.